program is to convert seconds into hours, minutes, and seconds. So this program is very useful because it again uses division and modulus, and it is same as we have converted days into years, months, and days. So we know 1 hour is equal to 360. 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds, and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, right? 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds, and that is not I, that's 1. And what we know? 1, okay, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 60 seconds, right? So same, we have to take input from the user. We have to take total seconds equal to from the user. Input, enter total number of seconds. And what we have to do, we have to find out first of all number of hours, right? So hours equal to, we have to perform what, integer division for total hours, for to find out total hours. Total second integer division, we know there will be 3600 seconds for 1 hour. And what we have to find out? We have to find out remaining number of seconds to find out number of minutes. Remaining seconds equal to, in order to find out remaining seconds, we have to perform modulus, right? And next we have to find out minutes equal to, and we have to perform integer division, and we know that 1 minute contains 60 seconds. So we have to perform integer division on remaining seconds with 60 seconds. 60. So we'll get number of minutes, and after that we have to find out number of seconds left. So for that we have to calculate using modulus for remaining seconds. So here we have to perform integer division, right? And here modulus with 16. Let's print, and let's print hours, comma, hours, comma, HR, comma, minutes, comma, minutes, comma, min, comma, and seconds. Seconds, or let's say second equal to seconds. Now let's run the program. We have to tell the computer the total number of seconds. Let's say 665. 665. 0 hour 11 minutes 5 seconds. Or else we can also give another input, and it is a let me clear this board and let's run the program. Let's ask 3669. 1 hour 1 minute 8 seconds. This is how we convert seconds into hours, minutes, and seconds. Our next program is to create a basic calculator, and For us, a basic calculator performs addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. We are going to calculate all these things using our code. And for that, we require two variables, right? That let be A and B. And we have to take user inputs. We have to take numbers from the user, whatever it may be, integer or float. I am taking float. Input, enter, enter first number, right? And next for B, same. I'll write float, input, enter, second number, second number, right? And after that, what I have to do, I have to perform operations. I can print directly. Print addition. What we have to write? A plus B. So it gives the value of A plus B. Print subtraction, comma, A minus B. Next, print multiplication. Print multiplication. So A star B. We use star for multiplication. Print print division. Division. A by B. And we want, if we want remainder, print modulus. Modulus. That is A percentile B. So now let's run the program. So it has asked us to enter first number, that is 20, and second number be 5. So what it has given us? It has given us A plus B addition. Addition is 25. Yeah, 20 plus 5 addition equal to 25, that is addition. Subtraction is A minus B, that is 20 minus 5, 15. And multiplication A into B, 20 into 500. Division A by B, 20 by 5. In modulus, remainder is 0. This is our ninth program and it is very important in learning basics and operations. Last but not least, our final program is to find the ASCII value of a character. ASCII means, that is ASCII, means every character has a number value inside the computer. For example, capital A has 65 and capital B has 66 and small a has 97 and 0 has 48. All these things. So every character has a number inside the computer and that number is are from ASCII numbers. So we use ORD function. We use ORD, this function, to find the ASCII value. So let us write a code. For example, let us take a character input from the user. Let the variable be ch and that is equal to input. We are not going to convert into integer or float because we can go with a string or we need just a character, right? So enter a character. So we have asked the user to enter a character. We have given the direction. So ASCII val ASCII ASCII value is equal to odd, and in the braces we will keep our object or our variable that gives the ASCII value of that variable or that character. So now we'll print ASCII value of ch. So here only it will print only ch. But what if I want the value inside the variable ch? I have to use f string. Here I have to keep here, and wherever I want the variable value, I have to keep flower braces. Is ASCII value. Now let's run the program. So now it is asking us to enter a character. So the function odd converts the character into its ASCII number. For example, if I write A and enters, it has given us the ASCII value of A, that is 65. And again, if I want to have the ASCII, let me clean this. Clear. So let me run the program again. And if I want the ASCII value of the character 6, it is 54. So now try the code for finding out the ASCII values for capital A, capital Z, small z, and 0. So in this video, we have completed 10 beginner Python programs, and today we learned how to create variables, how to take input from the variable users, and how to print output, how to use int and float, how to use arithmetic operators, how to use integer division and modulus, and how to apply formulas in Python, and how to use odd for ASCII values. Before watching the next video, complete these 5 practice tasks. And if you understood this video, then your Python foundation has officially started. In the next video, we will learn operators and decision making programs like even or odd, largest of 3 numbers, leap years, BMI calculator, and grade calculator. And keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.